Lista? Hello everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today I'm here with Margalida because we would like to show you this classy belly style that we did with a donut maker or bun maker, and we added this little braid as an accent. I hope you like it, and if you're new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell for not missing any future tutorial. Thank you so much. Let's get started. We are starting today's hairstyle with a high ponytail. Because we want our belly bun super neat and super sleek, we have to make first the super sleek and super neat ponytail. Therefore, we have one trick, and that is to split the hair into two from one ear to the other. And I'm going to start now with the hair from the back of the head to tie it into a high ponytail. Use some hairspray, comb everything up. You can also use some water. And then when you comb the hair up, you always grab with your fingers from the other hand the hair that you were bringing up. Take your time for this because we want this to last during all the dances. I like to smooth out everything with these kind of teasing brushes, and then when you like the result, you're going to tie it off with an elastic. For Margalida's hair, those tiny ones are good enough. This is where the high ponytail should sit. We have the head there on the top behind a bit plain. And now I'm going to use some gel with a toothbrush again. If you have a bigger one than I'm using here, you will have it easier and it will go quicker. So go gently with the gel on your toothbrush through all the hair. This will avoid, even if our model is sweating during the dances, that everything stays in place. We really need the gel, especially with higher temperature, and as the show that Margalida is going to dance together with Trencita is going to be at the end of May, we need some extra gel. Here you see again the parting from ear to ear. And now we can add the front hair to the rest of our ponytail. Margalida has little bangs in the front, so I used water again. That was quite cold, I think. Poor thing. Comb everything neatly back. And here you see that we won't see anything of the part line because we're just pulling it over. Smooth again out when you have with a teething brush or with a just big toothbrush, and use enough hair ties. It is important that these ties won't break during the show. So I'm going in here with another one just to make sure everything will sit perfectly in place. And now, because I was tired of the little toothbrush, I took the teasing brush and I'm using the gel directly on that brush. Now we are going to leave one strand of hair out, and you can clip it by the side. This is going to be our little braid later. And these donut maker, oh not donut maker again, bun maker, are very helpful when you don't have super long hair like Margalida. You put it over the ponytail, then split the hair into two parts and spread it out over the bun maker. I used some water first, smoothed everything out, and then took two tiny elastics, again two to make sure nothing breaks and everything stays in place, and then you hold the hair with this. Now wrap the remaining hair just around the bun. And I'm going to use now some of those bun pins to hold these strands in place. For a classy bun, I like to use these instead of bobby pins because they enter easily into the bun maker, into my donut. Use enough pins. And now we are going to put over this a net, a hair net. And you just wrap the net around, then fold it once, cross it over, and like this even the net is double. The rest I just wrap around and then I'm hiding. In this case I used a black one because of Trencita's dark hair. I only had black ones, but you will find them also in brighter colors like blonde. And now we're going to that strand that we left out at the very beginning, and we're just going to make a normal 3-strand braid. So bring the left over the middle, the right over the middle, and again the left over the middle. Now use some hairspray and gently pull out the edges of the stitches of the braid to make it look fuller. And then you do the rest the same way. Use hairspray, that will make that everything stays in place. And when you're done with your braid, just tie it off with a tiny elastic. And what we want is that this is a little detail in the front of the bun. Pin it in place. And this is our final result for an easy way to make the perfect ballet bun, in this case with a little braid accent. That's all for today's video. Let me know how you like the style and if you have any requests for new tutorials. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and activate the little bell for not missing any future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. And here's some more ideas how you can decorate the bun with a bun wrap or any other accessory. Hope to see you back soon. Bye bye!